Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious, soft and spongy hot milk cake. This cake turned out to be super amazing and so soft, and this is also eggless. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखियो चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So for wet ingredients in a bowl, combine 1 cup of curd, 2/3 cup of oil, 8 tablespoons or 3/4 cup of sugar. Now whisk everything well and mix till the sugar dissolves completely. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and give it a good mix. For dry ingredients, place a sieve and add 1 cup of maida, 3 tablespoons of milk powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Sift everything together. Now mix everything well. After it's combined, add half cup of hot milk and mix till combined. Adding hot milk gives the cake a different texture. Now here I have taken some chopped dry fruits. Here I have taken walnuts, almonds, cashew nuts and raisins and added 1 teaspoon of maida to it and then add it to the batter and give it a mix. Our cake batter is ready now. Apply oil on a 7-inch cake mold. Place a butter paper and pour the batter into the mold. Tap to remove the air bubbles and bake at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Our cake is perfectly baked now. It has a golden top. Allow it to cool down. Now run a knife on the edges and demold it. Remove the butter paper and flip the cake. See how beautiful and golden our cake has turned out, and this cake turns out to be super fluffy and soft, and the taste is so amazing that you will end up craving for more. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.